If you've been told there's no other option and you've been suffering silently with dryness, irritation, or intimacy issues, and nothing's worked for you, this video could change your life. It has been proven time and again the benefits of MonaLisa Touch therapy. Many women live with vaginal dryness, burning, and pain for years and years. They feel like they're broken and that there's nothing they can do, or it's part of the aging process. For some people, topical estrogens work, but others prefer another non-hormonal option, and MonaLisa Touch is a great option. It's gentle, it can be done in the office, and it promotes natural healing and improved tissue quality with no surgery or anesthesia. The treatment plan consists of 3 sessions, each one is 6 weeks apart, and then 1 treatment annually. Most notice relief after the first treatment, and that continues to improve with each additional treatment. MonaLisa is quick, comfortable, and life-changing for so many women. It leads to better comfort, confidence, better intimacy, and overall quality of life. If interested, please call Urology of Indiana at 877-362-2778 or visit our website for more information and to schedule a consultation.